Alright, so what's up guys, so welcome. Alright, what's up guys? What's up guys, so we are live. Thank you for joining me today. We will get started right now, right away. I want to show you one trade that I entered a couple of minutes ago, a couple of hours ago, and I'll go through it. The goal is to go quickly through it. And whenever I talk about the trade, it's really important to understand that you need to have a process. Right? You need to have a way to define your trade, and you need to be able to explain it. If you cannot explain it to someone else, there's probably a problem with it, and there's probably something you're doing wrong. So we'll go through this trade. And funny thing I saw this morning is that I wanted to enter this trade on one account I have with FXCM, but this pair USD SJD doesn't appear with FXCM. They don't have it, so I had to go to my account with Oenda to enter the trade. So it's kind of a messy thing, like a messy problem. But anyway, the trade is open now, so I'll show you a little bit what's happening here. So we talked about this pair before, and I don't know why there's so many lines right here. Maybe it's because I put a couple of more when I talked the other day. Okay, anyway, so we talked about that trade earlier and about the fact that price was going to a level that was important, the 1.44 level on USD SJD. Now, what I like to do is I like to see this big picture, and I like to see, well, okay, this is the whole picture. This is what we're going to look at. So it's either going to be this zone around here, or it's going to be the zone at the top. And right now, as soon as we get to this level, we see that price kind of the uptrend is kind of decreasing a little bit. We're not having the same momentum we had before. We're not having the same strength. See how strong we've been here? Now we're losing some momentum. If we want the 4-hour chart, that's where you see the power of the Bollinger Band reversal, the trade I talk about a lot. But we've been going sideways, so a move up, coming back down, same low, okay? Which means that we're not in an uptrend anymore. We're at the same low. And then we go to the same high, and then we fall back down. This is where I'm interested to enter the market. And if you put the Bollinger Band on that, you see that you have a perfect Bollinger Band reversal. See how price went and did this first high, came back, here failed, came back, and here we break outside the Bollinger Band, a few candlesticks, and we come back down strongly with an engulfing candle. Because this is what I like to see as a pattern. Now, I would normally enter the next candlestick, so below, I'll zoom a little bit. I would normally enter this trade right here below the candlestick, so the next candlestick, but this was around 1 a.m., so I'm not there at that time. And oftentimes people are going to do backtesting. They're going to think that they're going to be there at their desk all the time, and they're not thinking about when is the candlestick appearing. Is it at night? Is it in the morning? Is it the afternoon? And they don't think about the fact that they are not trading 24 hours a day. Okay? But I was pretty lucky because I've been able to enter pretty much here when I came back to my desk in the morning and saw that price was just pushing back a little bit after the candlestick here. So it gives me a pretty good entry. And now trade is at pretty much break even or a little bit in loss. But the goal here is to, of course, get a big profit. And I do want to say, I had one thing I was thinking about for that trade, which is not the best ideal case, is that we didn't push exactly through the zone here, the 1.44. Okay, so we didn't go all the way through that zone, which makes it a little bit less reliable, but the pattern is still there, so I'm still taking the trade anyway. And take profit is on this one just 2-1, which is going to give about here, so the next zone, 1.295. So it's a pretty good reward to risk. That's pretty much the whole trade for today, guys. I wanted to show you. And if you have any question, comment on this video. Comment below or on the right, wherever you see the chat. And I'll make sure to answer your question. Guys, check out the Facebook group. This is autotrade.com/group. We're over 1,000 people now in that group, only for Forex traders. And I look forward to see you there. Ciao, guys.